Welcome back to my channel, guys, and in today's video I'm gonna be doing some plantain waffle cones. And for this recipe we're gonna start off with our ripe plantain. I'm going to do a split down the skin, cut the plantain in half, allow it to boil for about 10 to 15 minutes or until soft, remove the skin and allow it to cool and mash it. And then we're gonna go ahead with our other ingredients. So the plantain is all done. I'm just going to mash it and allow it to cool. So now it's time to put that batter together. Now first here I have that plantain. I have it pureed. I added just a little bit of water, placed it into my blender, and this is how it came out. I want a smoother consistency because I'm using it for waffles. And I would rather it not have any lumps or anything like that. I have some vanilla extract, some milk, all-purpose flour, an egg, some melted butter. I also have some brown sugar. You can use white sugar if that's what you have, and some salt. So I'm starting with the dry ingredients, which is the salt, all-purpose flour, and sugar. I'm just going to pour the sugar into there as well and go ahead with a pinch of salt. I'm just going to lay it to a side once I'm done, and then we're going to get started on the wet ingredients. And I went ahead with the wet ingredients, which was the butter, vanilla extract, milk, the egg, and also that pureed plantain. And this is how it looks. And next we're going to add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients. Now you're going to go in half at a time, mix it, and go in with the other half. Going in with half of the flour. So we have our batter. I'm going to place it in the middle. Close the lid. Now it also came with this for shaping, so we're just gonna take it out. So here I have a cone, and I'm going to start by stuffing it with a small piece of plantain just to block the ends right here because it does have a little opening. Now I start to go in with that jerk chicken. Like this. I'm gonna add 2 more, and then I just add some scallion. This is my plantain waffle cone. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share, and I look forward to seeing you guys tuned in to the next one. Catch you guys in my next recipe. Bye.